Every minute, new technologies are developed around the world, and we can't resist the opportunity to let you know about them. Therefore, we put together this amazing collection of satisfying machines and ingenious tools for you to enjoy. That saw has the fastest reaction time ever.
Wait a minute!
There's no red and green. I'm wondering what this will put out of my phone. And that's how the black strips on Converse are made. This woodworker knows exactly what he's doing. When you're sharing food with your siblings, fastest way to remove protective wax. Let it slide.
太神奇了。
That's how being satisfied sounds like. Love watching those ice cubes being made. This tool helps you make perfect French fries. And this is how ice cream cones are made. When you get your wife mad and she got to cook, I'm wondering how he's able to touch the handle without gloves. So satisfying. Almost want to go to the moon. Bagel, anyone? This'll help you get more privacy in your home. You can see out, but no one can see you. This guy knows how to sell his product. Best way to patch a hole in the wall. This blade's actually moving faster than you think. It looks like it's going really slow until this guy slides this cob of corn. Love watching this detail car cleaning, knowing that my car desperately needs one. This'll cut your metal with precision. "30 years of experience at 20. What else can he do? Who else loves bubble wrap? It looks so pretty, I almost don't want to eat it. when water's moving so smoothly you could barely tell it's moving at all? Rust is no longer a threat with this powder. How do you like this machine producing hundreds of thousands of 50-euro bills?
Yes. Money.
This machine can cut super thin slices of fish. Amazing how a pressure washer restores metal's original shine. This machine gets the field ready for the next planting season, and that's so mesmerizing to watch. Watching objects being crushed by this press is so addictive. This is so hypnotic. You might want to paint your walls. Can't keep my eyes away from those donuts jumping out of this machine. Have you ever seen coins being cut? Going to the beach can be risky. Watch this machine pulling nails from beach sand. Plastic cup in the making. That solder fountain's so satisfying to watch. With this tool, I could do painting jobs too. This machine easily opens your chestnuts. Who needs a pair of glasses?
My glasses. My glasses.
Okay, what just happened? It's ping pong time!
Serve the ball, chump.
I don't know about you guys, but I could eat a whole pack of this. How cutting tires for recycling looks like. Who needs secret stairs and why? That grinder's amazing. Laminating dining table. Just wondering how the wood will fall with all this water. What do you think he's making? My 6-year-old brain was always so curious. But my 6-year-old honest review would have been,
But that's it?
is this the best dishwasher ever? With this machine, you can make matches. And that's how... If you want us to show you more in the future, drop a hashtag I want one more part in the comments below. We'll catch you guys soon.